Welcome to Aberdeen, a city rich in history and brimming with must-see spots. Known as the Granite City for its shimmering silver-grey buildings, Aberdeen has a spirit as strong as the North Sea winds that buffet its shores. Join us as we explore the best places to visit in just one day. From ancient cathedrals to cutting-edge museums, verdant parks to bustling harbour fronts, Aberdeen offers a taste of Scotland's vibrant past and present. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Our tale begins centuries ago. Imagine, if you will, a small fishing village nestled between the rivers Dee and Don. This humble beginning in the 12th century marked the birth of Aberdeen. King David I, a pivotal figure in Scottish history, granted Aberdeen its royal charter in 1179, solidifying its place as a significant trading hub. The city flourished, its fate forever entwined with the North Sea. But like any good story, Aberdeen's past is not without its turmoil. The wars of Scottish independence in the 13th and 14th centuries saw Aberdeen caught in the crossfire, changing hands amidst the struggle for freedom. The clang of swords and the smoke of battle eventually gave way to the industrious hum of commerce. Shipbuilding, fishing and trade became the lifeblood of Aberdeen, shaping its identity and propelling its growth. And then a discovery changed everything. The unearthing of black gold North Sea oil in the 20th century transformed Aberdeen into a global energy hub, a testament to its enduring spirit of resilience and reinvention. Today, as we walk these streets, we walk in the footsteps of fishermen, kings and revolutionaries. Their legacy is woven into the very fabric of Aberdeen, a city that wears its history with pride. Our next stop takes us to the beating heart of Aberdeen's maritime heritage, the Aberdeen Maritime Museum. Situated on the historic ship row, this museum invites us to journey through centuries of seafaring adventures and uncover the deep connection between Aberdeen and the North Sea. Step inside and you're greeted by the aroma of salt air and the creak of wooden decks beneath your feet. It's as though we've boarded a ship ready to set sail on the open ocean. Here, intricate models of ships, from humble fishing vessels to mighty oil tankers, tell the story of Aberdeen's evolution as a maritime powerhouse. Each vessel a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring desire to conquer the waves. We encounter the tools of the trade: weathered compasses, sturdy maps and intricately knotted ropes, each object whispering tales of daring voyages and skilled craftsmanship. The museum doesn't shy away from the perils of the sea either. Stories of storms weathered, lives lost, and the constant battle against the elements remind us of the courage and resilience of those who made their living on the water. But amidst the tales of hardship, there's also a palpable sense of camaraderie, of a community bound together by the shared challenges and triumphs of life at sea. Before we leave, let's pause for a moment and gaze out at the harbour. Can you feel the pull of the sea, the call of adventure that has beckoned Aberdonians for generations? From the bustling harbour, we journey now to a place of tranquility and awe-inspiring architecture, St. Machar's Cathedral. Founded in the 6th century by St. Machar himself, this sacred space has borne witness to over a millennium of Aberdeen's history. Its granite walls, weathered by time and etched with stories, stand as a testament to enduring faith and human craftsmanship. As we step inside, take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of the space, the soaring ceilings, the intricate stained glass windows casting kaleidoscopes of colour, the hushed reverence. It's easy to feel a sense of peace descend upon you. Legend has it that St. Machar, following divine instruction, built his first church here on a site chosen by angels. While the original structure is long gone, the spirit of St. Machar, his dedication and unwavering faith, seem to permeate these walls. The cathedral we see today dates back to the 14th and 15th centuries, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Look closely at the ornate carvings adorning the ceilings, heraldic symbols, mythical creatures and biblical scenes, each telling a story, each a testament to the artistry of a bygone era. But St. Machar's is more than just a beautiful building. It's a living testament to faith. a place of solace and sanctuary for generations of Aberdonians. Imagine the countless prayers whispered within these walls, the joys celebrated, the sorrows mourned. As we leave, let the quiet strength of St. Machar stay with you, a reminder of the enduring power of faith and the beauty that can be found in even the most turbulent of times. As you walk away, remember that this sanctuary of stone and spirit has stood the test of time, offering a place of refuge and reflection for all who enter. Our journey through Aberdeen takes us now to a place where the pursuit of knowledge reigns supreme. The University of Aberdeen, a beacon of learning and discovery. Founded in 1495, it's one of the oldest universities in the English-speaking world, a testament to Aberdeen's enduring commitment to education and intellectual curiosity. This institution has stood the test of time, evolving through centuries of change. Imagine the hallowed halls, the hushed whispers of turning pages, the lively debates that have echoed through these corridors for over 5 centuries. Each corner of this university tells a story, each brick a witness to countless moments of inspiration and discovery. The very air here seems to crackle with intellectual energy, a palpable sense of purpose that drives students and faculty alike. As we stroll through the campus, we're surrounded by a blend of architectural styles, from the medieval grandeur of King's College Chapel to the modern lines of more recent additions. This juxtaposition of old and new symbolizes the university's dynamic nature. It's a visual reminder of the university's ability to evolve and adapt while staying true to its core values. The architecture itself is a dialogue between the past and the present, a testament to the university's resilience and forward-thinking spirit. Over the centuries, the University of Aberdeen has been a crucible for groundbreaking research and a breeding ground for some of the finest minds in the world. Here, innovation is not just encouraged, it is expected. Nobel laureates, pioneering scientists, renowned authors, their legacies are intertwined with this institution. Their achievements are a source of inspiration for current and future generations. But the university's impact extends far beyond its impressive alumni list. It is a vibrant community where diverse cultures and ideas converge. It's a vital part of the city's cultural fabric, a hub for the arts, a catalyst for innovation, and a place where minds from all walks of life come together to learn, to grow, and to challenge the boundaries of what we know. The university fosters a spirit of collaboration and creativity. As we leave the university, let's carry with us that same spirit of inquiry, that thirst for knowledge that has fueled this institution for centuries. May it inspire us to seek out new horizons and to never stop learning. As our day in Aberdeen draws to a close, let's escape the bustling city centre and find solace in the tranquility of Duthie Park, a verdant oasis nestled in the heart of Aberdeen. As we enter the park, the sounds of the city fade away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves, the cheerful chirping of birds, and the laughter of children playing. It's a sensory escape, a reminder that even in the midst of a bustling city, pockets of tranquility can be found. Duthie Park is a feast for the senses. Vibrant flowerbeds explode with colour, their sweet fragrance carried on the gentle breeze. Majestic trees, some over a century old, stand sentinel, their branches reaching towards the sky like welcoming arms. Let's wander through the David Welch Winter Gardens, one of the largest indoor gardens in Europe. Step inside and you're transported to a tropical paradise with exotic plants from all corners of the globe. The air is thick with humidity, the scent of jasmine and orchids intoxicating. As we stroll through the park, we encounter families enjoying picnics, couples strolling hand in hand, and solitary figures lost in contemplation. Duthie Park is a place for everyone, a shared space where the stresses of daily life seem to melt away. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the lawns, let's find a bench and soak in the beauty of our surroundings. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a final chorus of nature's symphony before night falls. The park, with its serene beauty and vibrant life, offers a perfect end to our day, reminding us of the simple joys that nature brings. Thanks for joining us on this one-day adventure through Aberdeen. We hope you enjoyed discovering the history and top spots of this beautiful city, from the echoes of ancient battles to the cutting-edge technology of the oil industry. Aberdeen's story is one of resilience, reinvention, and a deep connection to its roots. We've only scratched the surface of what this vibrant city has to offer. So come back and explore further. Delve deeper into its hidden gems and experience the warmth of its people. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides.